I've got my winter Goldie Boxed. So if you want to see some of the things that I chose, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Binda aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. This is Goldie Boxed. This is a small business. It's put out by Jess over at Everything Proof. That's her channel name over here on YouTube. She puts together this box. There are different versions. You can get a gold subscription, so that's your gold bear. You get to choose 7 of the items. You get to choose everything in the box from the choices. And then she sends you 3 surprise little extras. There is the silver, which I think is 6 items, and the bronze, which I think is 4. I'm a gold, so I know that's 7. She has kind of pared down, so this time there were only 12 options, but sometimes she'll have like candles and you can only choose 1 scent of the candles. This time, even though there were only 12 choices, there were 2 candle choices. You could choose both, which I thought was nice because sometimes I do, like I love a candle, so I would like to choose both. She also, after customizations were over, she did offer Gold Bears First the opportunity to choose some select add-ons for $8, which was a great deal. But then I couldn't remember what I put in my box. So now I was like, I don't know. Did I put that in my box? I don't remember. So that tells me I've got to screenshot what I put in there, because I couldn't figure out how to find it either. This is quarterly, so like I said, this is the winter box. You typically are going to customize the first day of that season, and then you'll get it a month or so later. So these were customized December, I think it was 21st, 22nd, first day of winter, and it is January 31st that I'm getting this. Might have come in anytime between last Friday and today though. I typically have things delivered to my mom's house because if it's delivered to my house, it's going to sit outside in the elements all day. If it makes its way closer to, and it's at risk of being stolen because it's going to be out all day. If it makes its way too close to my house because I have a long driveway and it's within the perimeter of the wireless fence, then one of my dogs will get it because she thinks all boxes need to be checked first, and rips it up and leaves it all over the yard. So typically I do have everything sent here, which is why that's where you see a lot of my filming. Every now and then I'll bring something home because I want to film with Chloe and she's not here like she is in the summertime. So she does send a little flyer. She gives you the option to just get it electronic, but because I do the unboxing, I do like to have this as a reference to let you guys know a little bit about it. Now, she does curate these boxes with things that are ethically and sustainably sourced and that are cruelty-free. Here is the tiniest of sneak peeks. And right on top are my 2 add-ons. I went back and forth with this first add-on because I didn't know if I'd put it in my box or not. But I put it in with the add-on. If I have 2, that's okay. I probably wear them stacked. This was one of the 12 selections, and it's this stone bracelet, and I'm sure that these vary because they're all going to be unique in the different colors of the beads. My next add-on was from a previous curation, and it's these little craft mix drink mixers, and there are several different flavors. Blood orange Mai Tai, mango margarita, strawberry mule, passion fruit paloma, and mint mojito. Now, I am not a big drinker. I don't really drink liqueurs, hard alcohol. I don't really drink much alcohol at all. But my daughter and I love to make mocktails. We love to make just fruity, tasty drinks. And so that's why I had gotten these before. And then I misplaced them. I don't know what I did with them. So I had to get an extra set. I went to make them the other day. You know, I put them aside. I was like, oh, we're going to make these at some point. And I went to make them probably New Year's, and I couldn't find them. And I don't recall what the retail value was of those, but I did get each of these as an $8 add-on. I did have this in here. And there's definitely a variation, so yeah, I could even wear these together. So as you can see, there's a variation. They look very nice stacked together, so I'm good with that. Next, by Upcircle, we have the eye cream with cucumber, hyaluronic acid, and coffee. Now, coffee is really great for depuffing, but when you do have coffee in your eye creams, you typically only want to put them under here, where we're going to get the puffiness. You don't necessarily want your caffeine eye creams up here, which is what I'll do with other ones. This brand is cruelty-free, and I believe they're like an eco-friendly. So they, so this is a glass bottle, but this is probably recycled glass. It's also called Upcycle because they take leftover ingredients and utilize those. For instance, the skins on blueberries, they'll use in some of their skincare. They're very high in antioxidants, but oftentimes when they're using those blueberries for other things, they're just discarding of the skins. So they're going to take those and use them. So this is full size. Here's how this looks. And this is a $20 value. So it does have coffee oil extracted from repurposed coffee grounds and anti-inflammatory maple bark extract, a byproduct of the wood industry. So like I said, they are taking things that would normally get just discarded and giving it a second life. Next, by Arit and Athene, is this Orange Dream Sugar Scrub. It has a light texture that smells like a dream orange creamsicle. All right, there's how it looks. Ooh, it smells like orange soda or orange sherbet. Very nice. Yeah, it's got a nice texture. We do use these kind of products all the time. We just finished up a Tree Hut one, and now we're using a Tula, which is in a squeeze bottle that I love. And I love the Tree Hut ones too. Those are fantastic and such a great price. Next, we have a winter hat because it's winter. This is by Anarchy Street. It's your classic pom-pom hat, but look at that. It's got like a little silvery in there. And this is a $15.99 value. So really cute inside, but you couldn't use it reversible because you got that pom-pom. Next, by Facery, is their Moon Velvet Sleeping Mask with shea butter and azuline. It says it has calming ingredients, great for all skin types. This is, of course, cruelty-free. It says it brightens, moisturizes, calms, and has a velvet texture, and it is for all skin types. And this is a $21.95 value. It does come with a little spatula, scoop, whatever you want to call it. There is how it looks in this pretty blue bottle. All right, there we go. It has a scent. I wanted it to be lavender scented. It's not. I don't think I like the scent. It's almost, I don't know, it's almost chemically smelling. I mean, I'll still use it, but I don't care for the scent of that. I wouldn't repurchase it. I'll put it to you that way, just based solely on the scent. Now, I'm currently using, and only because I got it in FabFitFun, an Elemis face mask, their fruit one in the pink. That smells like fruit salad when I put it on. It's delicious. Next, by Palmori, is the Tahiti hand-poured soy wax candle. This is a 2.3 ounce mini candle with a value of $18. It's in this gorgeous blue, and has little stones in there too. Look at that. Smells so good. Like, there's definitely like a salty breeze to it. And then I chose the other scent, which you knew I did when I told you in the beginning that you could choose 2 different scents. So one of the great things is if you watch her spoilers, Jess goes over every product, tells you all about it, tells you like why you might want it. And so I appreciate that because there's always just great information. It helps make me more aware and make choices based upon that, like something that I might not normally choose. I might choose based upon what she's told me about it. Oh, this is even yummier. So there it is inside. Nice, simple. It does say ginger squeeze right there, but nice, simple, reusable. I reuse these kinds of things for like jewelry or whatever. Like I have a blue one that's taller that I put all of my little makeup eraser puff pads in there to wipe my face after I use toner. So, you can reuse these for a lot of different things. Oh, so nice. They're definitely not winter scents, I'll tell you that, but spring will be here before you know it. I'll be burning these candles. So those are my 7 choice items. Now, she does give you, for the Gold Bear, 3 bonuses. So as a bronze bear, you get 1 bonus, and that is this Justina Black Knee and Studio catch-all tray for $12.99, and look at how gorgeous that is. I love that. This is metal, so it's a nice metal tray. It's not going to break when your cat knocks it off of your nightstand. I'm just saying, that could be a me thing. Probably not, though. You do get 2 bonuses if you're a silver, so you get the bronze bonus and the silver bonus, which this time is by Studio, and it's single-use soap sheet packs. So these are great to take with you on the go, and this is a $5 value. I can tell you, I have some from Grove Collaborative, and I always have one with me because sometimes at work, the bathrooms haven't been cleaned, and the soap dispenser hasn't been refilled, and so I always have these on me just in case. And they have come in handy. So this is what they look like. They're just little, okay? And these are 2 of them. Probably quite a few in here because they're thin like this. And you're just gonna take one with your hands while they're dry, take it out, put it in your hands, put water on it, and then scrub it, and it will dissolve. And then the Gold Bear is by Glow on Fifth, and it is this Lip Dew lip oil. There it is. It is tinted, so it's that pink. And it says it smells like grapefruit. Now I do have some tinted on, but I'm just gonna put this over it. That is my Goldie Boxed for winter 2024. So let me know your thoughts. What did you think? And if you got this box and you've posted it, let me know so I can go check out what you have. I know I got to go check out what Wendy has. I saw she got hers. And I think Mary Catherine, over at Mary Catherine Loves Cats, got hers. So I'm always excited to see what other people chose. And if they kind of say why they chose it, what about it, kind of drew them to that particular choice. As you can tell, I like things that smell good. So I was really hoping that Moon Dew is going to be a lavender scent. I do love a lavender scent. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.